Hey guys, I made the gate to prevent my baby from entering the hallway. How would she react on the first time she see it? Watch till the end. I found some long pieces of wood boards thrown in our trash room. I kept them for a while and now I found them usable for this project. The dimensions are mentioned on the video. I started by making the frame of the gate. Using my miter saw, I cut 4 pieces according to the required size of the gate. All pieces were cut in 45-degree angle. I put some wood glue and tightened 2 pieces in 90 degrees connection with the Craig corner clamp. Then I drilled from the side and added a wood stick with glue for a better joint. I did the same for the 3 other corners. After the glue was dried, I cut the wood stick leftovers with my folding handsaw. According to the width of the gate and the required spaces between the vertical pieces, I cut 8 pieces. I didn't want to connect the vertical pieces using screws. Since I already closed the frame, I decided to use 1 wooden dowel on the top joint with wood glue and 2 screws from the bottom, which are not visible. I used small spacers to keep a fixed space. I used the ratchet strap to tighten the frame to the vertical pieces. I will use it again later. After a small break, I continue to connect the rest of the vertical pieces. I used the ratchets to wrap again, and while the wood glue is getting dried, I filled some old holes with a wood filler. I sanded the joints and the wood filler, and later painted these places with a clear coat. That's it, the gate itself is ready, now it's time to connect it to the wall in the hallway. I connected one vertical piece to the wall. It's easier to connect the gate hinges to the wood and not directly to the wall. I bought 3 detachable hinges for a case that I want to temporarily remove the gate. I connected each hinge to the wall piece first and later to the gate. On the other side of the wall, the lock side, I connected a small piece of wood that will hold the door lock latch holder. On the gate itself, I connected a self-closing door latch. I wanted that the gate will be automatically locked when the gate is being slammed. Okay, let's check the lock mechanism. Perfect. I added 2 pieces of wood to block easy access to the lock from the other side of the gate by the baby. Let's see the final result. What do you think about the result? Let me know in the comments. Now, let's see how my baby reacted to the new gate. As expected, she is not satisfied, but I'm sure she will get used to it.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you for watching. You can pick another video from here.
Bye bye. Bye bye.